Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Get Up and Glow with Robin. Today, I am going to be doing another mascara milk hack, H-A-C-K, not to be confused with H-A-C, which would be the traditional highlight and contour 3D foundation with Maskcara Beauty. So in the summertime, no matter whether I apply sunscreen or not, I am photosensitive and my skin gets super angry. And I was finding this summer that my traditional 3D highlight and contour foundation routine was not working. And I thought, okay, well, maybe I just need to shade up. And I shaded up and I was still seeing texture. I was still having some issues. And so I did some poking around and I found this really cool hack where you use the milk moisturizer cream mixed in with your highlight foundation or foundations for like a beauty balm or a BB cream or a CC cream or whatever you want to call it. And I was astounded at the coverage that I got. It was smooth as silk, just like when I do my traditional highlight and contour 3D foundation in the winter. And so I wanted to share it with you guys. So first things first, I've already color corrected with Frenchie, which is lip and cheek, but is amazing at canceling out dark circles. And I have my milk foundation. Now, I don't have anything on my face other than like my eye cream and my face serum, which I put on a while ago. And I'm gonna pump just a tiny bit of this milk moisturizer, not a lot, okay? Can you see like how much? Not a lot at all, because I'm gonna be mixing it on the back of my hand with a tiny bit of my color that's working for me right now, which is Mango and June, but I'm gonna be mixing them and creating a color called Django. And so I have just a tiny bit. You can see I have Mango and June on there. And I'm going to put it on the back of my hand with that milk makeup. Milk face cream, sorry. And I'm just going to swirl it together. And you can see it's like making like a very smooth BB cream. Very cool. Now, typically with Maskcara 3D foundation, you would put your contour foundation where the shadows naturally are, or where you want to create shadows, like cheekbones. And then you would put your highlight foundations where the light naturally touches your face, such as where my selfie light is beaming off of my forehead, down the nose, center of chin. And then your brightening highlight in like through here. Okay, which I'm going to show you. All right, so it's all rubbed in. It's all blended. So now I'm gonna take and just dot that all over. I mean, good Lord. I had sunscreen on, you guys, I promise. That little bugger. Okay, I've got it pretty much all applied. Now I'm gonna take the blush, the very dense side of the blush bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna swirl it and blend it all in. And it's okay if I don't get up here perfectly, because I'm gonna go through that with my contour. Look at how it takes that redness right out though, you guys. Oh. So pretty and so smooth. And now I can go through with my brightening highlight, my contour, and my lip and cheek. But look at how nice and smooth. Look at the coverage that I get. It's just, this is how it was in the winter. And when this was not happening in the summer, I was getting upset because I was like, wait a minute, this stuff, what happened? It was magic. It's not magic anymore. What's wrong with me? But it was just my skin. It was just my skin. And milk is calming. The milk cream, what I have found with it is it's calming and it's refining. And it's just awesome. And of course, by doing this with the milk cream, I don't have to put a moisturizer on ahead of time. Okay, so I think I've got it all blended in. Now I'm going to go through with my favorite hack routine, highlight and contour. And I'm going to do what's called the cheetah hack. But of course now I don't have to blend in my main highlight. And the great thing about the cheetah hack is it's okay if you're messy. It really is, because cream makeup is so stinking easy to move around on the face. And you can see I'm just putting it where the natural shadows are, or where I want the natural shadows to be. Okay, and then I am going to use my detail hack to do the nose contour. Oh, I always put way too much on. That's okay though. I'm gonna buff it out after. Try to blend it in a little with that eyebrow so that doesn't look like I painted it on. Can't see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I make all kinds of mistakes with this makeup. You really, it's fine. It's totally fine. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna get my brightening highlight, which will be the June. And you can see I'm gonna do it in a couple of spots. I'm gonna do it down this way and then out. There goes my dog. He can't ever shut up when I'm doing these videos. He could be as quiet as a church mouse any other time. But when I'm doing these videos, he's like, oh, yeah, Mom's doing videos, so I think I'm just gonna bark and be obnoxious. Okay. And there's my brightening highlight. More of my brightening highlight here. More here. And I'll be swirling that around. And then down the center of my nose. Okay. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. All right. And then, let's see. I will swirl out my brightening highlight first. Stipple when I'm around the eye area. Kind of like stipple and pull rather than swirl, because I color corrected with Frenchie earlier. Yep, that works. And then I'm going to start blending in that contour. And don't worry if it looks weird. Well, not that you'd be worried because it's my face, but you know what I mean. Look at how nice. Look at how nice that is. I'm just gently swirling. You can see I'm not putting a lot of pressure onto my brush. It's coming together, guys. This is typically how I do my regular highlight and contour routine. But like I said, I've had to do the Maskcara BB cream hack because it's the only way. Well, it's not the only way that it's looking good on my skin. I did find some primer that helps a lot. And I'm just buffing this out. Not too bad. And then I'll throw on my lip and cheek. So let's see. I think tonight we shall use, how about Hollywood? Hollywood. Okay, see it? It's like a peachy shimmer. This is my triple decker, by the way. I love this thing. Oh, I just love the Maskcara BB cream. I don't know. I might use it in the winter. Who knows? And then I'm going to take some Sunshine State, if you can see that. There's the Hollywood. There's the Sunshine State. And I'm going to just, that's got a nice amount of shimmer to it. So I'm just going to pop that over that. And then I'm going to take my slightly damp Perfector sponge. And this is doing two things. It is blending, or, well, I mean, it's already pretty blended in, but it's finishing the blend. And it's picking up excess makeup. So I'm just lightly bouncing that all freaking over. And that is the Maskcara IIID Foundation system with a twist. The Maskcara Milk Cream BB hack. BB cream, whatever. You get the gist. So that's it. I don't think it looks too shabby. I can also throw a little bronzer on if I feel like there's a huge disconnect and I don't want to seem like a floating head. I can throw a little bronzer on just to warm that up. And of course, bronzer goes. This is Bella bronzer. Oh, I just love this stuff. Just adds a little bit of warmth. You know. But that's it. That's pretty much it. Now all I have left to do are my eyes, and I'm saving that for another tutorial. That is the Tory Bell magnetic lashes that I got from my friend Ashley. So stay tuned, and thank you for joining. Have a blessed day.